everyone, Buffy the Rate Slayer here, and I am back with the latest episode of our weekly Market Insight series, which comes to you directly from the Capital Markets Trading Desk at Sunwest Mortgage Company. Let's get to it, shall we? Markets have bounced back this week after plummeting last week. The Producer and Consumer Price Index data released reinforced expectations that the Federal Reserve may raise interest rates once again as they continue to fight inflation. U.S. producer prices rose for the third straight month as it advanced 0.5% during the month of September. The PPI also went up to 2.2% on a year-to-year basis. The climb in prices was bolstered by a spike in oil prices, which reached its highest level in over a year. High oil prices have been impeding progress towards lowering inflation. Excluding food and energy, the PPI rose 0.3%. Consumer Price Index data was released on Thursday. The CPI came in slightly above the expected 0.3% as it increased 0.4% in September, strengthened by higher energy costs. The core gauge, which excludes food and energy costs, climbed 0.3% as forecast. It increased 4.1% compared to last year, its lowest increase since 2021. The minutes released from the September Federal Reserve meeting show that the governing body is optimistic about the economy. The policymakers agree that interest rates should remain restrictive for some time while forecasting continued economic expansion, no spike in unemployment, and that they will meet their goal for inflation levels between 2024 and 2026. Oil prices have subsided after Saudi Arabia pledged that supply would remain stable. Prices had climbed earlier in the week as investors worried about the impact the Israel-Hamas conflict would have on supply. Unemployment applications for the week ending October 7th were unchanged for the previous week at 209,000. Continuing claims were at 1.7 million for the week ending September 30th, growing by 30,000. The data reflects a resilient labor market with unemployment remaining at historically low levels. According to data released on Wednesday by the Mortgage Bankers Association, mortgage applications increased by 0.6% on a seasonally adjusted basis for the week ending October 6th. This comes after applications had dropped 6% during the previous week. Refinances rose 0.3% compared to the previous week, but fell 9% compared to last year. Purchase applications were up 1% from the previous week, but are lagging by 19% for the same period in 2022. And I'm sorry, but that's all for now. Join me next Friday for the latest brought to you by our trading desk right here at Sunwest Mortgage Company. Have a fantastic weekend, everybody. Buffy out.